This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over a new strumming pattern, which is super fun that we haven't done yet in the lesson series, so that's going to be great. And of course, after I've gone over the strumming pattern, we'll jam together on a chord progression using this strumming pattern. As we're jamming together, we will be playing right along with bass and drums accompaniment, so it's going to be fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, this is strumming pattern number 23, found there on page 93. After we've gone over this strumming pattern, we're going to jam together on chord progression number 11, found on page 94. Okay, so with this one, we've got 3/8 notes and then 2/16 notes, and the second half of the measure uses the same thing as the first half. So we have 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Sometimes I'll throw a slight accent on beats 2 and 4, so that means I just grip the pick a little bit tighter, strum a little bit heavier on those spots to add a little accent. So down, 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 up. We're going to be playing in the key of A in our chord progression, so I'll just demonstrate that on an A chord. So you have 1, 2, ready, and... You can practice that with the A chord at various tempos. You could also practice it with the D and E7 chords, which we'll also be playing. But here in the video, I'm just going to go ahead and jam together with you over the chord progressions. So again, we're doing chord progression number 11, found on page 94. We'll insert this once per measure. It's going to happen at 2 different tempos. So first we'll jam at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play it. Alright, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. Of course, in the next video, we're going to take a look at another strumming pattern that's kind of like this one, uses some 16th notes and so on, but it's super fun to play, and it's going to be great, so I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.